So previously I'm discussed about the Facebook, YouTube and every option. And now I'm discussing about that. How can adding for Twitter follower button? That mean by to increase your Twitter followers purpose. Twitter followers button we're adding will be two ways. So as I'm discuss right now. The URL will be called publish.twitter.com/button. This is a URL. Publish.twitter.com. First you can copy the Twitter URL. Paste. Next. Is asking for two options. Embed timeline, Twitter button. Which one are you want? Embed timeline, Twitter button. Which one I go for? Twitter button. I'm looking which one? Twitter button. Select it. Which one? Follow button, mention button. I'll go with the follow button. It's generating code. Copy. Your task is done. Code is generated. Just go the 3 steps. The option will be finish. Go back. Blogger dashboard. Where? Layout. In the layout, select option call is sidebar, right one, HTML by JavaScript, content paste code, select by the Twitter. Save. Save arrangement. Now you can refresh. Followed by Twitter page. 3 steps. Code is generated. You paste code by where? Blogger dashboard. Only understanding the URL when you are understanding perfect, you can do any option will be easy. Any option will be easy. So this is adding for which one? Twitter follow button. When I click, they go to your Twitter follow button. Same page they're showing for not follow. So this is called the option. If a new user they're showing for follow button. Change your profile here. In this we're showing which one? Follow button. Is it clear? This is purpose of increase your profile followers.